Panalo ang Magna CMGN sa pagandahan ng booth na inorganisa ng Philippine Contractors Association at ng Cebu Contractors Association sa Cebu City. Magbabalita si Charmaine Balagon.
Elegante, class ang dating, halatang dekalidad. Sadyang kapansin-pansin ang booth ng Magna CMGN Solution. Bukod kasi sa takaw pansin, ay kakaiba rin ito kumpara sa 200 booth na kalahok sa trade exhibit ng Philconstruct Visayas. At bakit hindi? Sila lang naman ang kilalang supplier ng innovative interior construction materials sa Pilipinas.
Skilled workers were getting scarce. So, of course, I have to look for a smart product, use technology. So I thought I was just selling materials first. The next thing I know, I was also selling our services to install them.
Kagaya ng dekalidad na pre-finished ceilings, floor finishes, at mga materyales para sa pagbuo ng cabinets, mesa at marami pang iba.
We were first into trading, and to put value to the items that we were bringing in, we put in already the services. It just kind of happened because people would ask, oh, can you also do it? Can you install it for us?
Kasabay ng iba pang mga exhibitors sa Philconstruct Visayas ang napakaraming kilalang local at international brand na nagtampok ng iba't ibang produkto para sa industriya ng konstruksyon.
These kinds of event is to keep us updated, especially with the latest trends in construction technology, materials, and equipment.
Ang Philconstruct ay pinakamalaking construction exhibit sa Visayas at Mindanao. Malaking tulong ito sa kinakaharap na hamon ng industriya, lalo na ang kawalan ng manpower. At dahil sa exhibit na ito, makatutulong ang mga bagong teknolohiya, tools at iba pang mga kinakailangan upang masolusyonan ang pangangailangan sa manpower.
Next year to be bigger, better, and of course to have more exhibitors. As you can see, I think this is the 13th year of Philconstruct. When we started, Philconstruct was just occupying this ground level. Now we're already occupied all the rooms also above. So our exhibitors are getting more. Our reach is getting more.
Isa lang ang Magna sa mga design company na maaasahan ng mga architects na solusyon sa kanilang mga proyekto, mapa-hotel, restaurants, hospitals, maging sa mga house renovation.
Yeah, I came here to find unique materials like the ones found here in this booth. I haven't seen this yet in the market in Manila, so I'm glad that I came here so that we can use this for future projects.
What we're looking for are modern ways of interpreting Filipino design. And we are finding them here in Magna because we see the textures that are copied from our Filipino design elements.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, ito ang inyong citizen correspondent mula Cebu, Charmaine Balagon, SMNI News.